It's a bit of a rainy day today, so I kind of not done much, but I thought it would be kind of nice to share what I do when when I'm at home here. I was at the temple this morning, can just keep you up to date. Then we've had a new aircon installed, so I've been home for that. But yeah, it started raining again, so I've kind of just started studying in preparation for going to university in Thailand, which is what unfold as time comes, as I'll share more about it. But yeah, that's what I am doing in Thailand. I don't know if you can hear, but it's pretty heavy. Yeah, as I was saying, it's raining. You probably can't, don't know if you can really see, but it's kind of soothing. I really love the sound of the rain. I don't know. Let's open the window, maybe you can hear it better. But yeah, that's the situation. So I thought maybe I'll just film some clips of me studying. Just yeah, see what happens. This may be the worst one yet, and I only got 2 videos. It's been a few days since I have the last clip because I couldn't be bothered posting what I had, but I'm currently 7 minutes waiting time for for BI tickets. I manifested wanted to see BI in Thailand when I was back in Scotland. Then I was just casually going through my the concert website, and it was there, and I was like, holy cow! And I need to be there. I'm so excited. Who's phoning? Oh, someone's phoning. There is 20 seconds left. I'm like shaking. Like, this is so dramatic at the concert tickets, but this are a little bit. Oh dear, so maybe I'll just time lapse this because I'm going to be screaming and no one's 10. Oh my god. Where does it come up? Okay, it's gonna have to be the laptop, my phone's. I have clicked it. Come on. Okay, it's gonna have to be my phone actually. Oh. Oh, I've clicked 4. I don't need 4.
That was with 7 seconds to go, wasn't it?
That was 6 minutes and 7 seconds.
I thought it was 7 seconds.
Oh my god!
Right, that's it.
Oh my
Wow.
god!
That was the last ticket you got just about there, isn't it?
Oh,
Was
that.
that 3,500 baht? That's about what? £80
£80, I think.
or something.
That was a roller coaster. Oh, I'm taking my glasses off. I got them. Or one. What an absolute ride that was. I might mute myself and fast forward what has just happened because that was embarrassing of how I almost started greeting for concert tickets. But I'm so happy that I got something. It wasn't the ticket I was going for, but at this point in time I don't really care. Bigger issues in the world than me meeting BI. But I've got it and I'm so happy. Oh, I manifested this. This is the one thing I wanted when I came here and I got it. Well, not the one thing, because the one thing I wanted is to learn Thai at university, and that will be happening soon, but this is the second thing.